What is going on YouTube, man? It's your boy SRT8. As y'all can see, we is at the gas station, man. The question I get a lot is how much does it cost to fill up this boat here? It's SRT8 6.1, which is a V8 obviously. So today we're gonna show y'all what I'm at real quick, because I'm like almost on E, but I'm not on E. Y'all get what I mean. Alright, so let me go ahead and show y'all young boys what I'm on right now. If the sun will get out the camera, y'all can see it's like almost an E. That's like what? Almost a fourth until empty, or a fourth full. So we're gonna see how much this costs to fill up. And I think my guess is, with the gas prices right now, I'm not gonna lie, gas prices have went down. Like, I'm not complaining at all. Like before, $70, $80. But let me know how much gas is where y'all stay. Regular's $2.69, and then we got Supreme. That's about $3.30. All right, the work is done.
Work is done. It always will be.
All right, let's go ahead and see how much this costs. Like I said, did I make a guess earlier? I'm gonna guess with the gas prices now. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna guess with the gas prices right now. To fill up, it's gonna cost me $56. My last, if I'm right, y'all definitely gotta like, subscribe, and share to your mama, your daddy, your bald head granny. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
If I get it on the dot, 56, y'all definitely gotta sub and like up. Don't even cap.
Nope.
As that does this thing, we gonna go ahead and pop the hood for y'all boys. Show y'all this quadruple turbo I got.
What?
Y'all don't know, this is not a stock car. Absolutely have gotten everything done. It looks stock, I know, but I promise y'all, this car right here is pushing at least 1,500.
Stop the cap.
The turbos are hidden, all right? So they underneath the car. This intake right here at least adds 500 horsepower. And I just got my oil change, so that's about another 1,000. So that's 1,500 horsepower just right there without the turbos. Now with the turbos, it's at least 2,000.
Huh?
And as I was saying all that, you know, clearly stating facts about my car, I've lost $18 that quick. You know, that was about a 5-second speech and money down the drain. I ain't posted in a long time. I've been busy with school, but y'all know how that go, man. Birthday this week. Finna get back on it, man. I miss y'all young boys. Ooh, listen. Did I say 56? I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of optimistic because we already at 8 gallons, which is good. I think I'm gonna go 48. Dropping it down to 48. Let me know how much y'all think it was gonna be, or how much it costs to fill y'all car up, and what type of car y'all got. I don't think it's gonna cost that much. So how much does this hold? I don't even know how much it holds. I need to wash my car. That's what I'm gonna do when I get home. Cause check this out, bro. Another thing I hate about this car. Oh my goodness. The brake dust.
Oh, hell no.
What can I do to fix this? Y'all let me know in the comments. I got Brembo. Is the Brembo's fault? I don't know.
2 seconds later.
Goodness gracious. How much gas is this thing? 15 gallons? Oh, 51. So technically I wasn't too far off with either guess. Make sure that's all it takes. It didn't just go off for no reason, right? Okay, maybe it did. Okay, no, we're good. That's pretty good. Total cost $52.21. That's not bad at all. I'm not complaining, but I am at the same time. All right, boys, and we are in the big manual. Big manual SRT. Full tank of gas, feeling pretty good. It's time to go home and watch this bad boy. But I've been not even going through a lot of good stuff has been happening. Some bad stuff, of course. I went for a ride in a red eye, Hellcat. I'll go ahead and show y'all a clip of that. I ain't even posting it. I was gonna make a separate video of that. I'll just go ahead and show y'all. So enjoy this clip. Oh, man. What's going on, YouTube? Man, we in the Hellcat red eye right now. First time ever being in the Hellcat. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. And it's a red eye at that. Oh, it's just... oh my oh my goodness. How often do you drive this car? Oh, and you got the modes on. 797. Wow. How long have you had the car? 2 years. 2 years? You know, if you try to trade this in, you get a lot of money for it. Like, anyway, a lot of value.
I know why I'm keeping it.
Yeah. Man, it's just spinning too. Oh my goodness. This is goals, dude. I gotta get this car. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, bro. And y'all should be back from the clip. How was it? Y'all enjoyed the red eye? Let me give y'all a little something. That dude that I know, he's from the car wash, right? I take my car out there to get it washed all the time. And I was like, I went up to him, I'm like, man, you gotta take me for a ride in this Hellcat. I ain't never been in a Hellcat before. And I'm just, just talking. Ain't really thinking he gonna do it for real. But he actually did it. So that's the story behind that. We'll see y'all young boys when I get to the cribbo, because it's time to wash this thing up. Give y'all one quick pull. First gear. Ease into it. Something like. Alright, YouTube, we have made it home. As y'all can see, it is time to wash this bad boy, because one, it's not even the car, it's really just the rims. Like, I cannot, this just ruins the whole car for me, because y'all, this is black. And I'm over dying to break this pair of particles in the air. What? Alright, now like I was saying, this ruins the whole car for me, so we gotta get this cleaned up. So, first step in doing that is to move this big behemoth of a truck out the way. Let me see if I got the thing on me real quick. Now this thing has a remote start, and I don't know how to do it. Hold on, let me see. Is this how you? How do I do it?
Dumbass motherfucker.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna stay with me until I figure this out.
2 hours later.
Is it? Bro, like I did it one time and I can't do it again.
The next day.
You hold it? Oh, there we go. I figured it out. All right, so you hit it once and you hold it. Makes sense. All right, bet. Y'all know it would be extremely hard if I did a POV driving this to school. Oh my goodness, this would be so hard. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see if we got that thing in here. Nope. I hate driving this truck. It is terrible. It's not even bad. It's just like big as hell. Like extremely big.
Pause! What is that?
I can't see what's in front of me. Like I'm driving an 18-wheeler, basically. Like
Yeah. You need a retwist, bitch.
Alright, now if y'all don't know how to wash your car, there are 5 important steps. Step 1, you get a pressure washer. This is a vital part in washing your car. And step 2, you rinse the car off. Simple.
Felipe killed this.
The following video contains strong sexual content and is rated M for mature audiences only. Viewer discretion is advised. Our advice? Don't get caught.
Alright, as I was recording this video, we have an intruder. These guys pissed me off to the max. See if I can get an extreme zoom in on. That's as far as I can go. Now, since this guy's on my property, we're gonna give him a death he will never. We're just gonna take him out easy, okay? It's already dead. Never mind.
The next day.
Do not care.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy SRT8. We here with my boy. Want to introduce yourself? Wait, say that again. SRT what? SRT8. Let's go. All right. AP Flood. Yeah, and we're gonna be 1v1 today to end off today's video. I normally beat this nigga ass every single time we play, and I hope to do the same thing today. So you wanna shoot the ball? Y'all really believe that though? Yes, y'all should. Let me know in the comments. You shoot the ball. I'll shoot the ball. You shoot the ball. Come on. Yeah. God dang! No. Fucking air, bro. Fucking air. Look at these niggas, bro. Alright. We're going to going to 2. This ain't gonna be 2. Going to 2. 2? 1 to 2? Straight fucking there. Look at him. Disappointment. This a fucking appointment, bro. Give me the. Oh, he's gonna be weird. Look at this shit. What the fuck are they doing? Oh god! Out of there. I would've got that. You called foul. That's why you did hit me in my arm. Just getting serious. Shoot for it, bro. Shoot for it. He shoots. And he makes. Give me some, bro. Give me some. No doubt. This nigga be cheating. All right, come on. I would've got it. I'm gonna take it back to Marie. How you feel, nigga? You fucking suck. I just beat you. You fucking suck.
Stop the cap.
Just tell them like the video and subscribe. That's all you gotta do.
Like and subscribe. This nigga's ass.
Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood. That shit look good like right.